the distance between the point orthocenter and circumcenter of the triangle with vertices 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 and 3 plus root 3 upon 2 comma 3 plus root 3 upon 2. So in this problem, since the points are given 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 and 3 plus root 3 upon 2 comma 3 plus root 3 upon 2, so let's find the distances between these points. Say the vertices A 1 comma 2, say the vertex B 2 comma 1 and the vertex C 3 plus root 3 by 2 comma 3 plus root 3 by 2. So we will find the distances. AB is equal to root over 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square, which is 1 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. This is root 2. And distance between the BC, we can observe that BC is 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square, and on simplifying we will get 3 plus root 3 minus 4 upon 2 whole square plus 3 plus root 3 minus 2 upon 2 whole square. So which we will be getting root 3 minus 1 whole square upon 2 square is 4, and here we can get root 3 and 3 minus 2, this is plus 1, root 3 plus 1 whole square upon 4 the square root, or we can take out. So root 3 minus 1 whole square plus root 3 plus 1 whole square is like a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. So we can write here 1 upon 2 times of root over 2 times of a square, that is root 3 whole square plus b square. So 1 upon 2 times of 1 upon 2 times of root over 2 times of root 3 whole square is 3, 3 plus 1 that is 4. So which comes as root 8. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. So we can add 1 by 2 into 2 root 2. So the answer is root 2. So distance between BC also we can observe that it's a root 2. And even the CA, distance from C to A, see 1 comma 2 and 2 comma, since the coordinates of C are same, x and y, you will be getting the same type calculation. So let us see here, CA 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 2 whole square, which is same as this calculation, root 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus root 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square. So we'll be getting answer root 2. So we can observe that AB and BC and CA of a triangle are equal. The distance of the sides AB, BC, CA are equal. So we can say that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So hence triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. If triangle is an equilateral triangle, then we can say that it's a circumcenter and orthocenter coincides. Circumcenter and orthocenter both are same point, that is coincides. Hence their distance is 0. Therefore their distance between orthocenter and circumcenter must be equal to 0. So we can go with an option A. Okay.